In this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how to warp a loom. So what you'll need is a pair of scissors, some yarn to work with, and I'm just using like this twine. You could use softer yarn like this if you wanted to. Okay, and you'll need some tape and your loom that has already been cut and prepared. So what you'll do is you'll grab the end of your yarn or your twine. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the first slot. It doesn't matter if you start up here or right here. You're going to put your yarn in the slot. Okay. After you do that, you're going to tape the end down. This just makes sure that this piece of yarn or twine does not come loose. Okay, and it doesn't have to look pretty. I taped it kind of weird. After you do that, you're going to flip your loom over and you're going to take your yarn and put it in the opposite slot on the other end. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then you're going to flip it over and you're going to put your yarn in the next slot on the opposite end. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to put it in the next one. You're just going back and forth until every slot is filled. And do not cut your yarn because then this all becomes a lot harder. And I'm pulling this pretty tight as well. If you have it loose when you weave, it'll be kind of hard to weave. Don't pull it so tight that your loom is kind of warping. Okay, and these threads that we're weaving into this right now is called the warp threads. Okay, after you have the whole thing strung, you're going to chop your yarn or your twine like mine. Okay, and you'll have a bit of a tail. Then you're going to just tape this end down. It should be on the same side that you started on. Okay, now your loom is ready to be weaved on, or weaved on. Okay, so that's how you warp a loom.